And welcome back to the show. American Dream Charter School is celebrating its class of 2021 and held its first ever graduation at the Bronx Zoo, celebrating 64 high school seniors of triple firsts. The first group of students to attend the school when it opened in 2014, its first graduating class, and the first generation of students from their families to ever attend college. Joining us now to share more details is the founder and head of the School of American Dream Charter School, Melissa Melkonian. And then we've also got students, Melanie Vaca and Camillie Henry. And congratulations to you all.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Melissa, I'll start with you first. I mean, what does it mean for you? I mean, obviously, as we said, this is a first of many firsts, and here it is, your first graduating class, the first students that are actually going off to college. And as a school, how does that feel?
It feels surreal. It feels like it is a big dream come true for a lot of our students, a lot of our families. This is something that we had been working towards since 2014 and even beforehand. But for us and for our community, our parents, we are just thrilled to be able to offer students an opportunity to advance their education and go off to college and graduate from college in the next 4 years. We are very, very proud and excited.
Yeah. Let me bring Melody in, and I'll ask Melody, how does it feel for you being a part of this first class and for you, the first one in your family?
To me, I feel like it's crazy. I thought it was gonna be so far, I have to do so much to get there. I did, but it just came all so fast and I didn't expect it. But I'm really happy that I'm part of this.
Yeah. Camille, for you, what's it like to be a part of such a historic school?
I feel very happy because we built a great family with everyone throughout 7 years, and it's a lot. And I agree with Melly how I thought it wouldn't go by quickly, but it flew. The next day we're already going off to college.
Yeah. And going off to college is pretty huge, but give us a little bit about what it was like in class. I mean, obviously your end goal is to get across the finish line and graduate, but what was the atmosphere like with you and your fellow students?
I feel like we have grown all together. We learn how to communicate and talk and just work together to come to this outcome. So I'm really excited for that.
Yeah. Camille, you want to add anything?
Well, it was definitely difficult, but having such a great support system for everyone and the students and the friends that helped us grow. And we got to connect with everyone and get help from them.
Yeah. Melissa, I guess when I look back at this, the last couple of years, particularly with COVID, an extreme challenge, but yet and still your students were able to persevere. What was it like for you as, educator, then also what was it like for students?
I think for us during this pandemic year was something that obviously the whole world did not expect. However, we were so lucky that we had the foundation that we had with each other for the last, at that time, the last 6 years, just knowing how we worked, how we all were already connected with technology. Our students all had one-to-one Chromebooks. We had already been using the platforms that became the platforms of today. But more than that, I think the families and the students who trust the school and trust the support systems, being able to all rally around the end goal and not losing sight of that end goal, which was college, was something that was so powerful. And that was the momentum that kept us going through Zoom, through economic hardships, through food insecurity. Regardless, we all came together to be able to just push through with what we had already established as a community, as a school, as a family, to be able to achieve this amazing outcome for our students and families.
Yeah. And talk about achieving that outcome. I mean, we talked about the first, but what does it mean for the future, given the fact that you have this great outcome? I know this is going to do something in terms of attracting more students to really come your way.
I think for us, the future is now, right? So what it means that more students from the South Bronx are going to be able to have access to college and these opportunities that otherwise aren't necessarily readily available. So what it means, it means a change in the narrative of what the South Bronx is. And right now what we want it to be is to have educated young people to be able to change the world.
Yeah. And then for you ladies, I'll come back to Melody and I'll start first. What would you tell somebody who's, thinking about coming to your school? What kind of experience would they get?
Be honest, I would highly recommend the school because like the support that they give us and everything is like so like overwhelming, and like I don't know, it just helped me a lot. I used to be like really shy and everything, and now I feel like I came out more and like I can be myself. Like plus like they they have like there's not just one language they speak multiple languages, so it's like very helpful.
And Camille, what would you tell somebody?
I agree. Everyone is so helpful and they support you a lot and they don't want to see you fall back. And there's just great experiences to the trips, to the classes.
And thank you. So, Melissa, as we get ready to wrap this up, I want to ask you the question. If somebody's thinking about it, they say, hey, this sounds like a wonderful school, great accomplishments. I want my son or daughter to be a part. How can they do that?
Absolutely. So visit our website, www.theamericandreamschool.org. And the very first prompt will help you apply to our school. It is a free public charter school. We take any student from any location in New York. We do give a preference to students in our school district, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't apply. Everybody who is interested in being bilingual and being, exploring the options for college, being a part of a wonderful multicultural family, this is the place for you. We are small, we are loving, we're going to change the world together.
Yeah. Well, congratulations. I want to say specifically to Melody and also to Camille, congratulations to you as you launch out, and certainly come back and let us know how you're doing. Melissa, a first of a first. Thank you so much, and best wishes to your school.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All righty. We want to let you know now, if you want more information, as Melissa said, you can visit their website and go ahead to the americandreamschool.org. And then, of course, you can follow them on the social media platforms, particularly Instagram at American Dream School. We want you to stay with us. We do have more open. Don't go anywhere. We're coming right back right after this.